So it was
Rishi sir, meanwhile, please just share that image. He'll connect again.
okay. Okay. Uh, just 9 months ago, my uncle has expired. So I got information in morning at 8 a.m. Yes, your uncle has expired. So
Okay.
suddenly uh, I decide to go to my uh, village. So my village, went to my village. So I, uh, so my village is just 200 kilometers far from here. So
Okay.
drove I I drove my car more
Good.
than uh, 80 speed. Actually, I don't know the speed is fixed on the road. If you drive your car more than 80 speed, then you have a challan. So
Fine.
the online challan, yes, I have a fine, online fine, and the
Hmm.
amount of fine was uh, 2000, uh,
Okay.
2000 rupees. So when I came back and I went to the police station to fulfill this challan, so they simply tell me you have two options. First of all,
Mhm.
you pay 2000 rupees and submit your driving license for next 3 months. And another option you have, you simply pay challan of 5000 rupees directly. And in this case, uh, uh, we will not submit your DL. So
Driving license,
at
right?
that time, yes, yes,
Everything
yes.
is
I
wrong, whatever
pay
they said.
5,000.
What
Yes,
did you say, Rajesh?
Everything is wrong, whatever they said, because I'm getting daily challenge, but
yes.
Yeah, in Delhi
I'm
it
not
is
depositing
very,
any
it
single
is very
money.
no. Exactly. This is very stringent when
No,
we
no.
talk about Delhi. Everywhere there are cameras. Even my
There are
husband and I,
cameras, and
whenever.
I'm running daily more than a 60, 100.
Uh,
I am getting challan on online only, but I'm
uh,
not paying anything. Nobody is caught me till now.
but
And
no, but
9th
when you have
November,
to
you
sell
can
off
pay.
your car, sorry to interrupt, when you have to sell off your car, then it will be a great problem for you if you're not repaying
No,
them.
there is no problem. There is no problem, ma'am.
I have heard about it.
In 9th September, yeah, you heard, but between you heard and between the after Chalan, there is a way.
Okay,
9th September,
okay.
there is a Lok Adalat where you can pay your Chalan 100 rupees per Chalan only. I have a in online. I have a Chalan more than a 30,000. It may be seven
Okay.
or eight Chalan only, but I'll go and pay seven Chalan into 100 rupees. I will be get free. That's it.
Acha, is it that kind
Is
of
it?
case
Is
going
it?
on? I
Yes,
It,
yes,
wasn't
yes.
even,
Lok
I,
Adalat
even with,
will on 9,
yes,
maybe
I
in
have
acha,
paid
next
actually,
5,000
oh
12
rupees, ma'am.
September. Yeah.
God. Oh my God, we all were
I,
actually
I,
in some
I
kind
have paid 5,000 rupees.
You should not
conception.
pay, boss.
And,
You
and,
should
Oh,
not
and,
pay.
and,
While they are while they are locally
yes, yes, yes.
placed some, if suppose if they locally place some camera or whatever they measurement while on road, and they caught at that time, definitely at that time you need to put your give to them your challan and whatever your uh, your
No. In
driving license only.
Uttarakhand,
And
basically there are in Uttarakhand
then you have to pay, give the driving
there are
license
no
only,
camera on the
and
road.
whatever challan
Basically,
you can pay or no.
interceptor on the road.
What is that
Uh,
interceptor? Could you please
okay,
explain?
okay. Yes, yes. Let I finish first. Let I finish first. Okay.
Please.
Basically, in
We'll come to that.
Uttarakhand, there are no cameras on the road. Yes, uh,
Okay.
here interceptor in the police team, traffic police team have interceptor car. In this car, the camera
Okay.
and the technology already fixed. They fixed. Okay, when you went to the police station after the challan, they simply show you your car speed, your number plate. Simply, they show on the photograph. Yes, your car was at this speed, at this time, at this location, and this is your nameplate. Clear cut photo evidence they show you, and moreover, they if you pay the 5,000 or 2,000 rupees, then they give you a government slip, not without slip. They give you a permanent slip. Yes. So
That
Okay.
challan is not more than
actually,
a 2000
I
odd.
try to give some
You know,
If you
Rajaji,
if they
in my
caught you,
company also many person my company also paid many person in my company.
actually, I'll be
Even then
mentioning something. No, in
my
hilly
company car
areas,
also paid.
no, hilly areas like Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, they have very stringent laws and very different laws as compared to the plain areas like Delhi, Mumbai. So they have very drastic difference for their laws, especially when it comes to the traffic rules and regulations.
but
So
it is
they
not
do
more
follow
than
some
2000. It is not more than 2000,
No, no, no,
because
they,
if you pay
you
2,000,
listen,
then
listen,
you have to
let
submit
me hear out,
your DL
let
for
me
next
hear
three
out,
months.
because
They
let me
simple.
hear out
Hmm,
because
okay.
whatever government is decided is on paper, and is not
Hmm.
more than a 2000 if you are over speeding. Very clear.
So it
If
means
you are
actually
in plain
the
area and
extra
hill
But
area,
amount
you
for
whatever
have
it
to
is.
submit your
extra
DL
amount
for
for the
next 3 months
No, no, no. If you are not paying
at that condition.
at current time because you don't have money, maybe possible that you don't have
no,
money, you
I
want to,
guess
you cannot pay.
Yes.
So you can deposit
that
your
would be the reason, or
DL,
I guess.
and you can deposit it your challan at court, because
Okay.
No, no, no,
drink and
no,
driving.
no. In
Listen to me,
Uttarakhand,
drink and driving. Listen
yes,
to me, drink
yes.
and driving. There is a no challan on the spot while you drink and drive. Correct? No court
Okay,
advice that if you are
okay.
drink and drive, you can put your challan on the spot. There is a no option as per government, right?
Hmm.
I caught twice, maybe more time, drink and drive. So while there are 4 5 policemen, they don't allow me that you go and you have to submit the challan. That I submit the challan, then I have to go to court, and court judge will decide how much I have to pay. Maximum challan was 2000, 5,000, and 2 years imprisonment. So you
Okay.
can they can he judge can decide both for you, or maybe same, maybe only challan only, or cash whatever. So I caught twice while no, not able to get chance to get free and on the spot. So I went to court and challan by court, and just decided that you have to pay 2000 or 1000. I paid and get free. That's it. There is no challan on the spot while drink and drive. But every challan, whatever it is, speed, over driving, whatever it is, you can pay on the spot if you have a money. If you don't have money, then you have to submit some documents, and you can get you can pay to court or maybe RT office.
This is online
Oh,
challan. They don't stop you on the road. This is online challan. This is online
Online
challan.
challan will never
The
come to you.
challan
I have
comes on
also
your
online.
mobile, on your mail.
Okay, you
no,
don't pay, there is no
Rajesh,
issue.
this is running in my mind because when my husband and I have traveled to what was the place name? Chitkul last year. So we have come across with this
Chitkul.
kind of cool. Yes. So last year we have come across with this is a place in Himachal Pradesh. So we have come across with such kind of problem that they actually asked for like 5,000 or 6,000. That I think they have different laws. What I think so, because hilly areas are they do go with different laws or different sort of traffic rules. That I do remember this case because last year we have actually come across with such kind of fine itself. They have asked for it, though my husband is very talkative, he's a businessman. So he has talked about it and he has just given 500 after even asking 5,000 or something. So he has just given 500. I do remember that was last year case. So I think that there would be a case that they do have some kind of rules and regulations in hilly areas. That is the case, and Uttarakhand entire is very strict when it comes
I
to traffic
I
rules.
want to share one thing more. I want to share one thing more. Uh, the other mistake done by me at that day, when I come back at my home and my wife asked me what happened regarding your challan, then I tell her, yes, I have to pay 5,000 rupees, otherwise they want I will submit my DL for next 3 months. Then my wife simply tell me, then you can submit my DL also. There is no problem. You can submit my DL for next 3 months. I then I think, oh,
Oh, okay. You could have
I
actually submitted her DL. Yes, that your
No,
5,000
no,
will
no.
have.
If
for
you
next
if
three
you
Yeah.
are
months,
driving, no,
then
no.
there
If
is
you
no
are
problem.
driving, no. If you are driving and they caught you
I am
while
not
driving,
driving.
they
If I tell him I am not driving, my wife is driving
okay.
on that time. Then how
Then
they know about this?
If they caught you
My wife
red-handed,
simply
then
tell
only.
me, no, no,
So
they
that
don't
would
don't catch me
Durgeji,
red-handed.
Durgeji,
They
lot of time
simply
I had
made
sorry,
me the challan.
Durgeji,
Yes,
sorry I interrupt you, but lot of time
no problem.
while you are talking to us and you talking about past and you are using only present tenses like you are not using verb in second form or third form. A lot of
I
time
was
I
about
observed that. So
I
please
was
correct
about
it.
to come on that.
Okay,
Yes.
okay,
Right. I was about to come on that point. Okay, 5 minutes are left. I would like to just
yes,
let you know all the mistakes people have done. Yes, Rakesh, one of the points that was running in my mind, I wanted to explain this, that simple past tense was one of the issues. Right? Right? That, yes, simple past tense was one of the issues that I was actually facing a lot. Maximum simple present tense was you might be you were in flow that it is happening. So even I have wrote the points, but instead of discussing it, you must have understood what I wanted to say. Yes, that's capable, not capable. Somebody has said it is capable. I'm capable of doing
okay,
this. Then it then it is wholeheartedly heart. Then repeat and repeat can be
okay,
spoken as
wholeheartedly.
repeated. Wholeheartedly, heart, not hurt, heart. Because it
Okay,
is
heart,
wholeheartedly I have accepted you. Yes,
Heart.
wholeheartedly.
whole heart.
Um, Rajaji, I would like to mention here that you use this word a lot, like lot of times. I've seen this lot of times. You use this phrase many a times, isn't it? You're using this frequently. Rajaji, am I audible?
Yeah. Sure, sure. I'm getting it.
No problem. So instead of that, we have a list of synonyms. For example, numerous, plenty, extremely, if you're talking about the uncountable, abundant times. So this how you can use it. Even you can Google
Okay.
few of the you can even Google few of the synonyms related to the same because you converse it really very well. Yes, your grammar was on the flow and it was appropriate. I just wanted that you should not repeat that because it is becoming odd in your sentences. It is becoming
Understood.
it that is the only word that is looking like an odd word when you are conversating with anyone. Okay, so we are not going to repeat that. For that, you need to write 5 sentences. You can write, or you can do one thing. You can record it as well, audio or video, whatsoever you want to, and you can send out the group. Like you can use different synonyms with 5 sentences. So this how you can improve that up, right? Okay. Yes, the way Rajaji has said, tools or equipments, anything can be used. It was actually mentioned very appropriately on time. The tools or equipments, anything can be used. Okay. Digeshi, a sentence was spoken by you. I try to make my calm. No, have you used or Rajaji?
Yes, yes.
Durga ji.
नहीं नहीं I used
Okay. So I try to make myself calm.
myself
Fine.
calm.
Huh.
After any accident, I try to make myself calm. That is
Yes,
the complete. That was the complete sentence.
absolutely right. Rajaji, you have said talk loose with them. You were talking about the colleagues and you wanted to mention that I am a little lenient with them. You wanted to say that you are a little lenient with them. Am I right? So that
Yes.
loose word is actually not an
Lenient,
appropriate word to
lenient.
use in this. Huh. You can use lenient instead of that. Right? And then, yes, one more sentence was spoken by you. I felt very sad on them. The sentence was correct. Vocabulary may what I feel so that Rajaji you can improve. Yes, because vocabulary is one of the things that is the only thing the way you have also said when we have started the classes, that is one of the things you need to focus upon a lot, because a student like you who is able to speak fluently and better in grammar, so I expect this, that you are going to improve this anyhow. For example, instead of sad, disappointed. I have actually shared one worksheet as well. If you people have checked it out, it was a synonym worksheet, like very sad, disappointed, very happy, glad. So just go through it. It would be really helpful because those
Yes,
words
yes,
are
yes.
the most common
You
one
have
to be used while conversating. Yeah, those are the most common one. So you can even go through that. Then
So this vocabulary you will share with us,
which
or I
one?
have to
shared
find it
in
out.
group.
Group. You will
I
share
have
it
already,
in group, or
I have already shared. I have already
yeah.
shared. I'll be sharing more worksheets like that for your
Okay.
basically vocab. Okay. And I have already shared the most common words to be used in conversation for which you can replace a new word for that. Okay. So that is already shared. Okay. One more mistake was there of the
The worksheet
pronunciation.
is shared
Yes.
by ma'am in the group.
Yeah, right. Now, which passive voice is that? Now, the sentence was perfect. The
This is
worksheet,
a present. Yes, present.
the
A
worksheet,
worksheet is shared by ma'am. Was shared by ma'am in the group. This past
we
tense,
have
past
learned
passive.
this today only. Yes, we have just learned it. So this is the usage of passive voice. It is already shared by ma'am in the group, or it was shared by ma'am in the group. So whatever you wanted to mention. Fine. That's all. Yes, this is here. Here. Not here, here. Okay. So
Yeah.
these were the pronunciations, and I'll be actually starting again with the pronunciation drill. The way we have started few days back when Rajuji was also there, pronunciation drill words were there. So for 5 minutes, we'll be doing the pronunciation drill as well on regular basis. Okay. So good night, bye, take care. We'll be continuing this class
Bye.
tomorrow. The same
Thank you,
question.
ma'am. Thank you.
Fine. Okay, bye. Take
Thank
care.
you. Thank you, all of you.
You're welcome.